Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel today. Today's video, we're going to talk about the truth about making money online. It's my truth, my review on making money online, the truth that you need to know. If this is your first time here at this channel, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button and go ahead and hit that bell notification when I do videos just like this. I do videos every single day and I want you to be notified when I do videos just like this. Now, you know what time it is, and it's time to get down to the content. Me and you time. It's me and you time. Content, the truth about making money online. Now, here's the fact. Here's the situation. When I first got online, I wanted to make money online, like most of us do. If you want to make money online, you're going to go start searching. You're going to start searching YouTube, Google, Facebook, all those type of social media networks and channels to find out. And when I was looking around, I saw a lot of videos about making money online and different types of content like $10,000 in 1 month. And I saw things like $500 in seconds. I remember that video. See if I can find that video again. But it was like $500 in seconds, and I dived into it. And basically the content was all about, it wasn't really good, valuable information from some of that. Now, there's some really good, valuable information out there in terms of people making money online, and that person go ahead and show you how it's done or have a system to teach you how to do it. But the ones I found in the beginning was just not really good content, to be honest with you. And so what I did was, when I was failing, I ended up getting to the right system. I finally found a right system that taught me how to make money. Write that down. Find the right system that's going to teach you how to grow your own business. That there. 2, a mentor and a coach or an advisor that's already done it, that's already making money online, that's already building a business, and you follow that person. Invest into that person. That's 2. So the right system that's going to teach you how to do it. 2, the right mentor and a coach and advisor that's done it and still doing it, and you follow and invest into their products, services, anything they tell you to do, pretty much, just about. That's 2. But the number one thing, one of the major things, is really your mindset. Because when you're starting online, there's going to be a lot of different things out there. Distraction. You're going to have different videos out there to get you to do certain things. You're going to have different offers. The shiny object syndrome that I will admit that I was definitely involved in. So you have to really be focused on exactly how you want to do this and what type of program you want to follow. So you want to follow things that's already happening, that's already making the type of results you want. That's why I'm really big on following a mentor and a coach, because when you do that, you're like, you have a blueprint, you have some information, you have a blueprint exactly on things you can do. Now, you don't have to follow every single thing this person does. My mentor, I follow as much as possible, but then once I start understanding more about what my mentor does, then I can kind of put my own spin on it. You can kind of go in the directions you want to go. So that's what I'm going to tell you. Definitely do that. And one of the things I failed at was I was trying to do it alone. Oh yeah, I watched 10 YouTube videos, I watched 20 YouTube videos, and YouTube video is gonna teach me. Now, YouTube videos can definitely give you good information, but it's more than to that. You do need the right system in place, the right mentor and a coach, and you definitely want to get your mindset in the direction where it is going to give you positive results, positive things. And one thing in your mental capacity is reading books and listening to positive audio. I'm telling you about that. Listen to a book. Not listen to a book, but listen to the positive audio and read books. Read a page a day. Listen to like at least 20 minutes of a positive audio that's going to help get your mind, because it's all about putting positive things in your mind, but you can go ahead and take action in that, because you have to basically, everything you've been taught in terms of money, that you've taught, let's say you were not taught very well in terms of growing money and making money, you definitely have to suspend that disbelief and start understanding the right way of how to grow money, investing into yourself, invest into products, invest into services, and taking action in those services. Just don't invest and don't do nothing. Invest and take action in those type of services. So that's basically what I'm telling you about, is that the truth about making money, it can happen. Yes, it can happen. You can succeed at it. It's a possibility. Results are not typical. Yes, I do have disclaimers underneath this video, because I want to tell you that yes, it's possible, but yes, you're going to go ahead and have to go ahead and do some of the work. You are going to have to. And there's a lot of programs out there, but I do have a program for you, because I know you've been searching around, going from one video to another, one offer to one offer. But I'm going to tell you right now, cut all that right now. Right below this video right here, I do have an unbelievable opportunity for you that teach you how to build your own business and start making money online. Start getting those positive results that you've been searching for. No more shiny object syndrome. No more just clicking on one program and doing nothing. Click on below this video. Is my #1 recommendation to make money online, and go ahead and start building your business, mainly because it's going to teach you everything you need to know. And we got a discount right now. We have a discount special right now. So you definitely want to join this week, today, not tomorrow, not tomorrow night. Today, go ahead and sign up, because I know you want to know the truth about making money. You need to have the right system in place. You need to have your right mindset in place. And definitely, you do want to have the advisor, coach, and a mentor that's going to show you how to make those type of results. And I'm telling you, that's helped me, and I believe it can help you. Because when I was doing all this, I was trying to do it by myself, and it was not working. I was basically spinning my wheels, confused, overwhelmed, frustrated. I'm like, dang, man, why is nothing working? Oh, I don't have a good system in place. Oh, I don't have a coach or a mentor. Oh, I don't have any type of good training that's going to teach me. Because I know you've been kind of struggling in that. I know today's like, man, it's another one of those type of days that I can't really do this. But I'm going to tell you, you can. You can. Because right below this video, click on that link. #1 recommendation to make money online and start your business, because it's still time for you to go ahead and do this. Well, this is Adam Shelton. I'm signing off here and like, comment, subscribe to my videos. I'm so passionate about this because I know you've been looking around. It's just me and you right now. Just me and you right now. Let's go ahead and start that legacy lifestyle that you always wanted. If you want to fire your boss, well, that's a great plan to do that. If you want to start your own business, well, that's a great plan to do that. But you got to start by taking action. Click on the link below this video, and I can't wait to see you on the inside, because you're going to learn how to grow your own online business. Finally, you're finally going to learn how to build your own online business. Click on the link below, and I'll see you on the inside, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow's video. Have a good day.